Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel Paramount subscription on Roku. So here, let us use the Paramount Plus support website in order for us to have a full and detailed guide. So go to help.paramountplus.com/s, and then here on the search articles, just search for cancel. And then click how can I cancel my Paramount Plus subscription. Once it loads, you will see a lot of links here. Since we are going to cancel on a Roku device, click on the Roku link. It will take you here. So just go to your home screen, choose the Paramount Plus channel, and press the asterisk button on the Roku remote. Select Manage Subscription, and then choose Cancel Subscription. If you are having trouble, just go to support.roku.com. So basically that's it. Very quick and easy.